Introducing the premier oil field equipment CV Series Hydrovac Excavator, built on the CAT CT660 chassis. There are many applications for the CV Series Hydrovac Excavator, including oil and gas services, oil and gas pipeline infrastructure, municipalities and utilities, and many others. The patented CV Series Hydrovac boom is mounted to the elliptical head of the tank as opposed to the top of the shell, as is the case with other trucks. Because of this, the CV Series Hydrovac is able to achieve additional structural strength and provide a reach of 26 feet without sacrificing the integrity of the boom. All critical components are centralized and housed in an insulated, heated aluminum van body. Operators will appreciate the functional space located on both sides of the vehicle. The CV Series Hydrovacs are equipped with truck-mounted water heaters, which enable them to excavate under any conditions. All functional controls can be operated by wireless remote for one-man operation, backed up with concise manual controls if needed. The CV Series Hydrovacs come with CAT transfer cases. These transfer cases are specifically designed for vacuum excavation trucks requiring a highly configurable and easily serviceable gearbox. Let's watch as the CV Series Hydrovac excavates down 6 feet around and under a 12-inch sewer main. Actual elapsed time of this excavation was a mere 39 minutes. The CV Series Hydrovacs use the patented mud sweep to offload. Because of this, you never have to raise the tank, thereby eliminating vacuum line separation and overhead conflict concerns when dumping. Ohio CAT proudly sells and services CV Series Hydrovac excavators.